Hello gamers, let's go make you a thumbnail the simple way. First of all, we want to open up Photoshop. You click on create new on the left side. Once you do that, you can really choose whatever. What you can go to is film and video, the thumbnail sizes for YouTube. I would just use this one. This size is what you mostly see on YouTube video thumbnails. So you click on create once you do that, and once you're here you might have these. This is an easy fix. You just go view and then clear guides. You can also create guides, but you don't really need that. And the little tip is, if you turn this off, it's like an invisible PNG. So that won't really matter when it comes to thumbnails. You want to come over down here, click on that, and that will be your new layer. If you would like to draw, but who wants to draw? Press Windows arrow button, and what you can do is turn it like that. I'm not gonna show you because it has, you know, all my files. Let's just grab a bunch of images. Grab the image you want and just chuck it in. Now that I've got my images I want to use, I can turn the visibility off on them and choose a background. So for the background of this, I want to get this image right here, but it's too tiny. We want to make it big. So you're gonna press Ctrl T. It will come up like this. Then you can just drag. You can put it on the side and then drag. It doesn't fit. Well, if you hold down Shift, you can drag it out. Just hit that lock button, and boom, you can't move it or anything because it's locked. So I'm just gonna place these around. I want to add like a finger pointing. But oh no, we forgot to get a PNG file. That's alright. You press E to open up the eraser, and you want to right click on this and then go down to magic eraser. You can change the tolerance here. All that does is finds the color and then eliminates all the color. Now as you can see, that was too high, so I'm going to press Ctrl Z, get that tolerance and put it a bit lower. Try again until it's satisfying. Now let's just say that you are finding it hard to crop something because it has multiple colors on it. Alright, so what you want to do is you can either press L or find one of these icons. You go into your area you want to crop, and how you do this, by the way, is press H and then Control. You can zoom in and all that. Now lasso tool, if you're like this style, it's not the best. I don't use it, but what happens is you hold the button and then you can like swing out, and once you let go, it happens like that. You can press the delete button, but sometimes it might not work for some reason. So you can just hit your eraser, right click on it, then just make it massive. And there. Once you're done, click in the middle of it and it will get rid of that. Alright, I'll show you the line lasso thingy. What you can do, just click, 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 click to make a line. Now this is going to be really sharp, so it's not going to be curvy and more free, but you can work around that, and that's how you would do it. So if I just wanted to make a square over here, then just keep this bit, I would go out and instead make the outside of it a box. That's what I do, but you don't have to. You can also just do this. You make that, you right click in the square, select inverse, and that just makes everything here, and press delete. There. Then we can get our little hand guy and point it in. Nearly all of these, they have this white outline, and to do that, go over here, right click, go to blending options, and then outer glow. We want to set opacity to 100%, noise 0, spread 0, size we want to change. That's the only thing we want to change. We want to put range as 0, or it has to be 1. We put jitter as 0. We're going to press T, and it's going to open our text. we're going to put here epic thumbnails. I'm going to just highlight that. And you can go over here to change the fonts, and you can obviously change your color of it. Another trick is if you go outside of the screen, you can choose the color from here. Like that, like we did before, blending options. You can go over here, outer glow, and boom, oh, we can see that now. And we can go Control T. Those are basically the basic tricks on how to do it. There's obviously a heaps more, like getting your own fonts, but I'm just going to keep it simple and hopefully you'll be able to understand. Obviously shortcuts, Control Z, push it back, and if you liked it the way it was before, Control Shift Z. Thanks for watching, gamers. I hope it was simple and quick.